Welcome to the Anna Darpan demo. In this demonstration, we will walk through the complete digital signature process for signing truck chits generated during depot operations in the Anna Darpan system. This feature ensures secure, verifiable, and digitally signed truck chit documents for all outward movements. As an initial step, we will showcase how to install the security certificate. Double-click on the security file received and perform the steps as shown. Type the password provided along with the certificate and continue to install the certificate. Before starting the digital signature process, a token must already be created, and all steps up to outwait must be completed. Once outwait is captured, the truck chit becomes ready for digital signing. The weighbridge in charge logs into the system and navigates to Sales, Generate Truck Chit. On the Generate Truck Chit page, the user selects the required token from the drop-down. All corresponding truck and transaction details auto-populate on the screen. The user reviews the details and clicks the Submit button to generate the truck chit. After submission, a success dialog appears. The user clicks the slip button to open the truck chit slip. The slip is displayed in a new dialog window. The user scrolls down to the bottom of the slip and clicks on the button, "Click here to sign and upload the PDF," to initiate the digital signing process. Digital signature setup. A digital signature dialog opens. If Umbridge is not installed on the system, a pop-up appears providing the download link. The user clicks the link, downloads Umbridge, installs it, and ensures the Umbridge application is running. Umbridge is required to communicate with your digital signature certificates. Install it once and keep it running before initiating the signing process. Select Software Token. Once Umbridge is running, the digital signature dialog automatically reopens. By default, the dialog shows the hardware token toggle enabled. The user switches the toggle to software token mode. The provider drop-down immediately displays available DSC providers fetched from the software token. Sign the document. The user clicks Sign Document. The signing process begins, and the system securely applies the digital signature to the PDF. After signing, the document is automatically uploaded to the server. A new browser tab opens displaying the signed truck chit PDF. The user downloads the signed document and opens it with Adobe Reader for verification. The signature panel in Adobe Reader confirms that the digital signature is valid. This completes the digital signature workflow for signing truck chits in Anna Darpan. The signing process ensures that all issued vehicle documents are securely authenticated and uploaded to the server for audit and compliance. Digital signing strengthens documentation integrity and supports seamless depot operations. Thank you.